Herbs and spices are everyday life. Natural is the mystic, I and I, me in the heights. Oh yeah, natural I am on the highway. If you're looking at me, you know me,
Hi everyone, welcome to my program, Your Health is Your Wealth, with me, Real Empress Yuda. On this program, we look at the foods we eat or do not eat, their origin, and their health benefits. Today, we look at pomegranate, Punica granatum, which is a fruit-bearing deciduous shrub or a small tree which grows 5 to 10 meters tall. The pomegranate tree is native from Iran to the Himalayas in northern India and has been cultivated since ancient times throughout the Mediterranean region of Asia, Africa, and Europe. The health benefits of pomegranates are innumerable, and what makes them special is that apart from being healthy, they are delicious too. Pomegranates have antioxidant, antiviral, and anti-tumor properties and are said to be good source of vitamins, especially vitamin A, C, and E, as well as folic acid. So now we look at 5 health benefits of pomegranates. 1. Pomegranates contain high levels of antioxidants called flavonoids. These flavonoids are known to be effective in counteracting various cancer-causing cells. 2. Treat anemia. Healthy blood flow can be maintained in the body by consuming these fruits. Pomegranates supply iron to the blood, thus helping reduce symptoms of anemia like exhaustion, dizziness, weakness, and hearing loss. 3. Pomegranates control diabetes. So for diabetic patients drinking pomegranate juice, this can reduce the risk of various coronary diseases. Along with this, there is a reduction in the hardening of the arteries, which inhibits the development of various heart disease. 4. Cure stomach disorders. So pomegranate peel, bark, and leaves are used to calm stomach disorders or diarrhea. Drinking tea made from the leaves of these fruits also help in curing digestive problems. Pomegranate juice is also used for reducing problems like dysentery and cholera. And 5. Dental care. Pomegranates, with their antibacterial and antiviral properties, help reduce the effects of dental plaque and protect against various oral diseases. Like I said, the health benefits of pomegranates are numerous. In the meantime, you may continue with your research and do feel free to leave your comments in the comment section of your findings. I would love to hear from you. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, look after yourselves. I'm out. Real Empress Yuda.
I tell them,